Good morning. Our names are Sebastián Hernández, Juan Antonio, Pablo Segura, Karin Formstone, and Nicolás Estrada, and we are students from Instituto Tepeyac Xcaret that will present to you our project, Chemistry Games. We are a group of 9th grade students who noticed the boredom and stress caused by the traditional teaching method. That's why we decided to create and develop a more dynamic virtual tool that can motivate young people to learn. From our position as students, we have studied biology, physics, among other more complex subjects. And with this project, we want to bring you an idea and an option to improve student learning.
Our project is based on the willingness to learn that students have. With this tool, we intend to improve conditions and motivate students. How do we do it? Through virtual reality, a fictional environment generated by technology that can be used in video games, events, or in education, basically in any area of study, although we specify ourselves in chemistry. We find chemistry in our daily lives, and it is practically everything that surrounds us. A fundamental tool of chemistry is the periodic table, where chemical elements are listed by their physical properties. There is a group of elements called the essentials for life, and they are precisely those that we will present in our world and wish to teach students.
Our objective. Well, our objective is to develop a virtual tool that supports and improves the disposition to learn chemistry, specifically in the identification of essential elements for life found in the periodic table of elements. We think that by involving and developing virtual tools such as games in the chemistry subject, we will generate positive responses in learning the essential elements for life.
Method. First, we choose to use Roblox Studio, a complete and easy to use platform, to create an educational game about the periodic table of elements. We select 20 essential elements to be included in the game. We started building the virtual world in Roblox Studio, including all the information necessary about each of the 20 elements, like symbol, atomic number, name origin, etc. We continue working on the game, and for each element, we choose a mission that allows students to interact with the game, which lead students to learning through more creative representations. After this, we created a survey to pinpoint the knowledge that middle school students currently had about chemistry. Once finished with our virtual world, we let 25 students we interview to play the game. We created another survey to assess the experience and opinions that students had about our world. And then we analyzed and compared both survey results. So finally, we can generate and note our conclusions about our project.
Now, let's take a look at the results from the surveys previously mentioned. For the pre-survey, we asked the students if they would be willing to play an online game to learn some elements in a fun way. 65.9% said yes. 29.5% said maybe, and the minority said no. As you can see here, the willingness is in the majority of the students. They're willing to learn in a fun way. Now, for the post-survey, after they played our game, we asked them if they would like to continue using the digital tool. And 100% of the students said yes. So in conclusion, you can use a digital tool to learn elements or any other subject.
Also, we could see that the new digital tool should be part for the teaching in all subjects.
It's been proven that one's attitude towards learning changes according to the way science is taught.
Creating worlds on different platforms such as Roblox with a variety of themes also allows us to facilitate learning and developing creativity.
The virtual world of Roblox chemistry games is a fun and dynamic tool that makes it easy to learn the basic elements of the periodic table.
And according to the survey carried out before and after entering the Roblox platform, we can determine that the students favored the learning of the elements.
These are the sources that we use to develop this project. Thank you for listening, and we hope you have a good rest of your day.